matter, guys? Didn't like the cat? Right? Be nice. Be nice, Ted. He's not hurting you. Enough, enough? Are they being good? Titty, be nice. Be nice. They just want to know who you are. Down now. Go down. Good girl. Good girl. Stay down. I don't want puppies climbing up the stairs. Good girl. You can stay here. You can stay here, but you stay out down the ground. Good girl. Come on. Yeah. Stay there. Stay. Good girl. One's still over there trying to find Mom in the box. She's gone in the kennel there so that they couldn't bother her while she's trying to figure out where to clean. You know? Oh, you learned what the step was. Up. That's a step. Be careful on there. You get all tangled up in my garden fence. Don't even take it with you. I'm so happy with that crow out there. Now, you come and stay here. Hey, bud. Don't go off there. Now, you come up here. Whoop. Oh, down. Now, come here. You stay here. Good girl. There's 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, up here. One's up here. Careful. Be careful. Now, you guys stay around here, okay? Now, you stay here. Be nice. Neighbor's mom is talking to the kids. Okay, be down. Down. Stay down. Good girl. Down you go, Poopy. Titty hiding out.